Hi, writers! I am so glad that you are back for day 2 of writing our personal narrative. Now, yesterday, in your writing packet, you should have filled out your circle map that's on the first page of all of your family members. If you haven't done that, please make sure you do it now so then you can do our next part. It will make our next part easier. So now that we brainstormed our family members, our next page is we're going to think of special events that we did with our family. So what I did was I tried to think about my family in groups. So like my kids, that's a group, or my brothers and sister, that's a group. And I tried to think of all the fun things I did. So I have brainstormed lots of ideas, but we only have to write 4 of them. So I talked it over with my friend next door, and I was giving her all my ideas, and then I picked my 4 favorites. So that's what I would like you to do today. I want you to think of all your favorite events that you've done with your family. You probably have a lot. And then I want you to talk to a friend, and then just pick your 4 favorite. So I have filled out my next page. This is page 2 of our writing pack. It's that pack. I'm going to show you real quick. Here it is. So this is our writing pack. And it says special events with my family. So my most recent one was going to the mountains with Luke, Evan, and my husband. And then my next one was 2 Christmases ago. I went to Christmas in New Jersey with my husband's family. I had a lot to say there, so I didn't write all the lines. And then a long time ago, Miss Lodato was a little girl. I went to the beach with my sister and brother, my older ones. And I just remember what a fun time we had. Miss Lodato probably was your age. And then the last one I have is going to Silver Springs. It's a place in Florida where my mom used to live with my mom and sister. So those were my ideas. Now, I had so many other special events that I had with my family, but I just chose my 4 favorite ones today. So, writers, here is your job, and we're going to use these thinking maps to get our brains thinking, because first we think, then we write. So you are going to brainstorm about all the special events you can think of that you've had with your family. Now it can be your brother and sister, or it might be with a cousin or a grandma. So go ahead and brainstorm those and talk it over with someone. It can be a sibling, your mom or dad, or just a friend. And then I want you to pick your 4 favorites. You're going to write your 4 favorites on the second page in your writing pack today. We're going to end up narrowing these down to only 1. So make sure your 4 favorites are on here. And then tomorrow, we're going to talk about how to pick our favorite one to write about, because there's lots of rules when we're writing about our favorite one. So good luck, and I know all of us teachers can't wait to see your special events with your family.